Are you ready to make a super cute wagon out of this Dollar Tree stuff? Let's do it. Hey friends, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks again for coming back. All right, so I have these lids. They're from Olive Jars, and I am just popping a hole in 4 of them. That's what it looks like. Ta-da! And now I have a little wooden crate from Dollar Tree, and I'm measuring 1 inch in, and I'm just putting another hole, 4 holes. You want one for each. Now listen, and this is a dowel, and I cut it to 5.5 inches. So listen, here's the thing. If you can use E6000 or another permanent glue, you wouldn't have to do all the hole punching and all of that stuff. But because I have allergies and I can't use that stuff, we have to make adjustments, right? We do what we can. All right. So I painted it all with some wax, and then I have some bamboo skewers. I'm going to paint those also with the wax. Then I'm going to use a dauber, and I'm going to paint those lids black. And then I'm going to use that dowel, and I'm going to do that with the wax. Here I am trying, I have this little tiny ring. It's a wooden ring from Dollar Tree, and I'm trying to paint it. And here I think I'm being slick because I don't want to touch it and get my hands all more dirty. Finally, I'm like, oh, forget it. Just going to pick it up. It was so irritating, but I painted it black. This is a multi-surface paint that I'm using. So there's that. And we're going to let all of that dry nice. All right, once it's dry, we're going to take our bamboo skewer, put it through the holes. Again, if you can use permanent glue, you should do that instead, but because I can't. All right, so then I glue. So I put the skewer in just enough so that the button covers it, and I put some glue on it. Then I put the other lid on the skewer, and I snug it up. Make sure you don't pop the other side off, though. And then I cut the other side of the skewer, and I put some more glue on, and I put the button on the other side. So it looks like a little wagon wheel. How cute is that, right? And I do that 2 more times, right? We do that for the other side as well, because we needed 4 cute little wheels. Done. Again, is there a better way to do this? You know, as I was doing this, I was like, man, instead of buttons, I should have put little wood beads, and that would have made it even more secure. But you know what? We live and learn, right? All right, so now on the top of that dowel, we're going to put some glue, and I'm going to just glue our cute little ring that we painted black. So and I just hold it there until the hot glue dries. Then I'm going to put a big dollop of glue on the bottom of that, and then see that little hole in that crate? I'm going to sneak that through there, and I'm just going to glue that to the bottom of the crate. Now, and I did actually go back and put a little bit more glue on the bottom, and I put some more in the little handle part just to secure it. Again, man, I always look at this like, man, I wish I had some permanent glue options, but alas, it's okay. But stop it. Look, look at how cute this is. It looks like a little wagon. I'm so excited about it. So cute. I mean, you don't want to go crazy. I mean, it's not wicked secure, but that's okay. Look at, and then we can use it for decor, or you can use it for candy. How much fun, right? Oh, anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspired you.